Hello students, as we are doing chapter 16 statistics. In the previous class we discussed about the bar graph. How can we draw a bar graph? We can draw a bar graph in two ways, horizontally and vertically. And horizontal line represent x-axis and vertical line represent y-axis. We can draw horizontally like this and vertically like this. Now in this module we will do the drawing a bar graph. How we draw a bar graph? Let us discuss worksheet 2.
Go.
Worksheet 2, question number 1. The following table shows the number of students in the different club in a school. You have to prepare a graph using the scale. Unit length 20 students. Beta, first of all, whenever we draw a bar graph, we have to take a specific scale. Here, first of all, we will write at this corner scale. 1 unit means this 1 unit represent how many students? Scale is given us, that is 20 students. Now, draw the lines. This is x-axis and this is y-axis. And on x-axis we will write down the name of the clubs, and on y-axis we will write down the number of the students. And the scale is given 20, 40, 60, 80, 100 up to 200. Okay. Now how many students there in mathematics club? 150. Now 150, 140 and 150 is not there. It means 150 is lies between 140 and 160. It means we will take the center of this. Okay. Now this is 150. Now draw 150. And you have to use the pencil and scale. Okay. This is 150. You have to take the equal space between these bar. Now language club 120. Now 120 is here. Now first of all put the dot. Now join it. One 20. And again you have to take the equal space. Next is science club 140. 140. Then art and craft club and computer club. This is the first solution. Now let's take question number 2. The following table shows the circulation of newspaper. In the 6 languages, prepare a bar graph with a suitable scale. Beta, here scale is not given. So you have to take the scale. Okay. Look at here. Languages are there. How many? What are the languages? English, Hindi, Punjabi, Tamil, Urdu and Bengali. And number of newspaper subscriber 1400 for English. Start question number 2. The following table shows the circulation of the newspaper in 6 languages. We have to prepare a bar graph with a suitable scale. Beta, here scale is not given. It means you have to take the scale yourself. Okay. Now the language are English, Hindi, Punjabi, Tamil, Urdu and Bengali. And the number of newspapers are 1400, 1600, 400, 800, 200 and 600. First of all take the scale. Okay. It depends on you. Look at here. Here we have to take the scale from 100. Okay. अगर हम 10 करके लेंगे तो it will be too long. I take 1 unit is equal to 100 newspaper. Yeah, you can take 1 unit is equal to 200 newspaper. It depends on you. Up 100, 200, 300, 400 up to last is 1600. So I take up to 1600. Now languages are English. The first one is we have to take the proper gap. Okay, equal gap. English, how many newspaper subscriber newspaper? English 1400. So draw 1400. Then Hindi 1600, Punjabi 400, Tamil 800, and Urdu 200, and Bengali 600. You have to draw it like this. Okay, this is the bar graph representing the information of the newspaper of the different languages. Now let's start question number 3. Prepare a bar graph for the information of number of families members in different families of a locality. Number of families are given and number of members in each families are also given. First of all, take a scale. 1 unit represent how many families? So you can take the distance from here, from 10. We will take 10 units. So 10 family. Okay, 10, 20, 30, 40 up to 120. Up now, how many families having one member? 20 family, one member having 20 family. 20 family having one member only. And 2 member, how many family having 2 members? 100. So we will draw it up to 100. And 3 members, there are 120 families having 3 members, and 4 members 110. And 5, 80, 6, 60, and 7, 28, 10. Here this represent number of members and y-axis represent number of families. Thank you.